I'm going to show you 8 legit ways that you can make money online 100% free. Some of the ways that I'm going to show you in this video are super easy, quick ways that you can literally make cash within minutes. Others require a bit more effort, but all of them are 100% free and they work. I know they work because I've tried them myself. Now let's dive straight into it. Number 8 is free cash back. Now this one is not going to make you lots and lots of money, but it can make you some quick cash. I recently tried this out in one of my challenge videos and made around about $15 in 30 minutes. And the way that it works is you can essentially earn cash back for signing up to free trials for certain things and services online like Amazon Prime. And then all you need to do is cancel that trial and you get to keep the cash back. The site that I use is called Oh My Dosh. And if you look on here, you can see they have lots of different offers and cashback offers. The ones that you want to focus on are these ones called No Spend. And if you click on them, you can see they pay you out certain amounts of cash back just for signing up to trials and things like that. This Oh My Dosh is a UK based one. There's lots of other sites out there that offer this. And if you keep watching this video until the end, I'm gonna give you a list of my top favorite sites that you can use all over the world. But for now, let's move on to the next one. Number 7 is print on demand. Print on demand is a great business model which allows you to sell unique products online and you never have to invest in any stock up front because you create a design for, say for instance, a t-shirt. When someone places the order for that t-shirt from you, you can then send a notification to a printing company who will print that t-shirt and then send it to your customer and you keep the difference in profit. To make this work, you need to use a website such as Printify.com. They deal with all of the fulfillment and printing and you just need to upload your designs onto here. Traditionally, you would need a website and you would also need money for adverts. But if you want to do this totally for free, you should use a website called Etsy.com. It's a marketplace full of products similar to Amazon, but they mainly focus on handmade unique products. And a lot of people make money on this using print on demand. And all you need to do is come up with an idea for, say for instance, a t-shirt, and then you can list it on Etsy. Now to make this work, because there's obviously quite a lot of competition on Etsy, you really want to niche down or you need to jump on a trend. For instance, if you would have got onto the Squid Game hype recently, the Netflix series, and created a t-shirt around that, you could have made some sales. Now, obviously with things like that, you need to be careful with copyright, but this design here is just a circle, triangle, and square. They won't have any issues with copyright. And they've listed this on here for $17.95. They've currently got 16 sales, so they're very new sellers on Etsy, and they're still managing to make sales. And if you actually look back on Printify, you can see that you can buy a t-shirt printed in the United States for $7.87. So they're making about $10 per t-shirt. But one thing to note is when you come to Etsy, you will see that you have to pay 20 cents per listing, which obviously is almost free, but it's not free. If you want to get around that, if you come to Etsy and just type in free listings, what you'll see is that there's lots of people that have listed these things where you can get 40 free listings and you don't need to buy anything. It's essentially their referral link. You click on their referral link and open a store with 40 free listings, and they will also get 40 free listings, which is why they're sharing it on Etsy. So you can create a store 100% for free. Number 6 is reviewing products. Now I have made thousands and thousands of dollars reviewing products over the years, and I'm going to show you some proof and I'll show you how you can make money from this. So this here is my earnings for Reviewing Profit Accumulator, which is an online membership site. And as you can see, I've earned over £37,000, which is like $40,000 just from this. And the way I've made money from this is with affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is when you get paid out a commission for referring people to a certain product. One of the best ways of doing that, especially when you're starting out, is just simply by reviewing those products. But now I just want to show you a hack how you can do this even if you've got 0 subscribers or 0 following online, and even if you don't want to show your face and you don't even need to buy the product either, you can still make money from this model. So the way to do that, you need to sign up to like an affiliate network such as ClickBank. There's lots of affiliate networks out there with lots of products that you can promote. You'll find them by heading to Google. But if you go to ClickBank, sign up for free, and then go to Date Added to Marketplace, and you want to organize to recent products that have been added to the marketplace. This is really important if you actually want to stand out, because if you go and try and promote a product that's been around for a long time, there'll be a lot of other people competing for that. So you want to choose new products that have only just been launched. And then, like for instance, this one, this skin offer called Hydro Essential. And then if we just go to Google and type in Hydro Essential review, you'll see how easy this is. Right at the top here, there's free videos. And if we click on this one here, you can see that the person that's uploaded this video They've got 297 views, so they're getting traffic to this video. They have 1 subscriber, so they're brand new to YouTube and they're getting views. And then all they've done is added their unique affiliate link that they got from ClickBank under here. And in this video, they'll just tell people to click the link when they want to purchase. And because people are watching this video, they're thinking of purchasing, there's a good chance they'll click on the link and buy it. So you don't need to be on YouTube ranking and having lots of subscribers. If you choose a product that's only just been launched and you upload a video to YouTube, there's a good chance that Google will add it onto the home page really high up so people start clicking on it. Now, a really simple way of doing a review video is to record your screen and just do a voiceover talking about the features and things like that that you can see on the sales page. Or you can even go to a website called pexels.com and get some stock footage of people putting on face creams and do kind of a voiceover, and you can edit it together using free online software and get traffic to your links. Number 5 is CPA marketing. Now, I've made a lot of money from CPA marketing over the years, and basically CPA marketing is when companies will pay you out for essentially generating them leads. So if you can get someone to enter their email address on a website, that company might pay me out $2 for every email that I get registered, or I might have to get people to sign up to a competition and things like that. And you make like $2 or $3 commissions depending on the offer. Now, there's a lot of CPA networks out there. The one that I've been using recently is this one called Zadoux. And as you can see, I've made a little bit of money over the last few months from this. And on here, they have lots of different CPA offers in lots of different niches. And usually with CPA marketing, the way to do it is to run paid traffic, paid adverts to your CPA links, and you try to make some profit in the difference. But if you want to do this for free, one of the best ways to do it is to focus on sweepstake offers. So here they have sweepstakes, which is essentially competitions. And say, for instance, this one here, PS5 Black Friday sweepstake, they will pay me out $2 for getting someone to enter a competition to win a PS5. Now, the way to promote an offer like this is to use social media. So if you come to Instagram and you create some kind of page like this, funny gaming clips, and all this page is doing is just reposting funny clips from the internet about gaming. And if you want to really blow up this page, you should focus on Reels, because Instagram's really getting behind Reels, and they're just reposting these clips as Reels, and they get a lot of people coming to the page and following them. But also, they could add a link here that says enter to win a free PS5. Obviously, you'll get some people clicking on that link, and you could even do a shout out in your story and stuff like that. You get people clicking on that link and entering it, and you could earn like $2 per person that enters that competition. Number 4 is flipping free furniture. Now, this is probably one of the most old-fashioned ones on this list, but it really does work. I did this a little while ago when I first started out, and you can make good money from this. And it's really simple, it's self-explanatory. You find furniture that people are giving away for free with websites like FreeCycle, or you could even look on like Gumtree in the UK or Craigslist in America, and then you essentially get those products. You might need to clean them up a little bit, and then you want to resell them on places like Facebook Marketplace, where there's a lot more traffic and a lot more people are focusing on at the moment. And you could just add like $10 or whatever onto the price, and you can make some profit from this free furniture. Number 3 is Facebook groups. To make money with Facebook groups, you just need to create a group around a certain niche or certain trend. So you can even create a Facebook group. It might be a bit late to the game with this, but about Squid Game. And like this one here has already got 82,000 members. This one here has got 18,000 members. And you could then get people joining that Facebook group, and at the top of that Facebook group, once people come in, you could have your links to your Etsy store that you've created, your print-on-demand products, or you could send them through to affiliate offers or different things like that. There's many different ways of monetizing a Facebook group. I usually use it with affiliate marketing. I recently did this with a woodworking Facebook group, and added a woodworking product that I got from ClickBank. And as people came in and joined the group, they signed up to this woodworking product, and I started to make some commissions from that. So it really does work, and you kind of need to give it a bit of a kickstart at the start. So if you're first starting with a Facebook group, you might need to go to other Facebook groups similar to yours, chat to a few people, add them into your Facebook group. As the community starts to grow and people start to comment and engage in that, Facebook actually starts to push it for you on your behalf and promote it and get other people to join it, and you'll start to see the numbers start to grow. Number 2 is selling services on Fiverr. Now, you do not need to be skilled in any way to do this. I'll show you exactly how. So if you don't know, Fiverr is a marketplace where you can offer your services and people will pay for them, and you can do them like logo design and things like that. You do not need to really have a skill to make this work. I've made, as you can see here from my Fiverr earnings, $896 just from Fiverr. And the way that I made the majority of this money was with this gig where it says, I will create a custom Clubhouse profile picture avatar. And all I was doing with this was adding circles around people's profile pictures for the app Clubhouse. It was like an app which went viral recently, a little while ago, an audio app, and people wanted to have circles around their profile pictures so they stood out. I spotted this as a trend and I thought I'm gonna offer this on Fiverr. And you can just do simple things like this. But the key to succeeding with this is trying to jump on a trend before everyone else jumps on it. Try and find something that people will need and create a service around that. For example, obviously I did this with a Clubhouse profile picture. If you can think of another app that someone might want a specific background creating for, or something to do with cryptos or NFTs, you might be able to create a service around that. And just another example, which I just found earlier, as Christmas is coming up, people want like stupid videos and stuff like that. So I typed in dancing elf. There's a person here which must have been offering this last year. They had 10 orders and they will basically put your face in a dancing elf video. And people have been buying this service. And I don't know if you know, but this is a free app that you can get on your phone which does this as a service. So that's another way that someone is offering a service, jumping on a trend, and they're just using a free app to create these videos, and people are buying them because they obviously don't know about that app. So there's many ways that you can make money on Fiverr. You just need to kind of have a little think about it and try and think what other people aren't offering and how you can offer it. Number one is YouTube. I could not do a video on YouTube without mentioning one of my favorite ways of making money for free, which is creating content on YouTube. I just want to show you some results from this because you do not need to be some crazy personality or anything like that. You can just create videos about stuff you're passionate about and you can make a lot of money from affiliate links, but also from the AdSense on YouTube. It is a really good way and there's still a lot of opportunity out there. I did this one video, which is called 10 legit websites that pay you $100 per day. I'll link that video up there if you want to check it out. But just from that one video, I made $14,000. You could just do that. If you don't want to get in front of the camera, you could just be doing like a screen record style video where you're just going through some top websites which pay out money, or anything that you're interested in, and start to put content out there, and you can make a lot of money from it. And it's obviously led to me earning lots of money from affiliate marketing as well, because you could add it into doing reviews, and you could talk about different products that you've used and add all that into your channel and then build it up and make a lot of money. It doesn't cost a single penny to get started, and the sky is literally unlimited. So that's why I think it is number one in my list of top ways to make money online for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, all I ask is that you smash the like button and let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you want the list of websites where you can get the free cashback from, I will link it down in the description below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, cheers guys.